So we're here at the Xscapers Bash 2019 with Travis and Melanie, the founders of Xscapers, and they are running this incredible event. It's the final night. In case you can't tell, we all have neon on, so it's neon night, right?
Yep. Exactly.
So you can hear the music in the background, the party's going on, and we wanted to thank Mel and Travis for having us here and just kind of chat for a minute about escapees and Xscapers, and thank you so much again for having us both here.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you for being here and being a part of it as speakers and participating. That's really what it's all about.
So much value to the event, and everybody's loved seeing you guys here, so it's just been a lot of fun having you all around.
Thanks. And Travis, you have a real history with escapees because I understand your grandparents founded escapees. Is that right?
That is true. In 1978 they founded the club, and so we're going on our 41 year, and yeah, since birth in my mom's belly I've been bouncing around in a rig. So.
And your parents were involved also?
Absolutely, very involved. My dad did the park side, made a lot of the parks come to life, and also my mom was known for the advocacy and the mail service. So
that's awesome. And one thing maybe you can clarify, make really clear, escapees versus Xscapers and how they relate to each other.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So Xscapers is part of Escapees. It's one membership. When you join Escapees, that's what gets you access to the Xscapers community. And that's really what it is. It's a way for working-aged RVers, people who have a different set of lifestyle needs to come together, find their community. We offer resources like tax tips, specifically catered to full-time RVers. So that's kind of a little bit of what you'll find in the Xscapers.
But I think it's really all about this
yeah,
getting together.
Yeah, you can tell we're having a lot of fun here. This only gives you the tip of the iceberg as to what's going on outside. We had to come inside Travis and Mel's RV because it's so loud outside. This is the final night and everybody's excited and having a great time at the party.
Yep.
So there was one thing in particular that about escapees and all the different services they offer that we were interested in, that we found out about that seemed unusual, and that was the care center. And thought maybe you could tell us a little bit about what that is.
Yeah, so the care center was started by my grandma, Kay Peterson. She was a nurse, so it's dear to her heart, and it's continued assistance for retired escapees. And really it's about helping escapees members who can no longer travel, who have health issues, or just had to hang up their keys. They still get to go to a facility, live in their RV full time, they get meals, they get laundry taken care of. It's a full-blown center, and it's a nonprofit, all volunteer driven. It's an awesome program.
It is. Yeah.
One of the reasons we wanted to ask you about to come and sit and chat with us for a minute is because the other day when Travis and I were chatting, you'd mentioned that there was an affiliate program for escapees, and an affiliate program is something that a lot of organizations and companies have that incentivize people who are enthusiastic about them to share it with others and be rewarded in some way when, for example, when someone signs up, someone sends someone and they sign up, that person who sent them will get something, kind of a financial reward for doing that.
Yep.
And I'd mentioned to you at the time that when you told me that the plan existed at all, that the affiliate program existed, I had said to you that John and I don't really have interest in signing up for that because we're so enthusiastic about sharing Xscapers and escapees that we didn't want any kind of financial compensation for that. And we've actually changed our mind about that. And the reason we asked you here was to let you know that we are going to sign up to be, for RVgeeks,
awesome,
to be affiliates, but we want to do it in a really special way.
Okay.
And what we're going to ask all of you who are watching this on YouTube or on our website is, if you are thinking about becoming part of Escapees, we are going to put links below in the video description and down on the website to allow you to sign up through the RVgeeks affiliate link. And what we are revealing to Travis and Mel right now live for the first time is that all of our proceeds from our affiliate program will go to the care center to support it. And this isn't anything we told them about. We wanted to tell them this live on camera so they find out that we want to support this worthy charity, and we hope you'll consider doing that. So make sure you use those links, and we're going to give everything we get from that back to the care center.
You guys are too awesome. I wish my grandma was still here. She would
Yeah, that makes me really emotional. That means so much, and it means so much to everybody at our club because it is something that's very near and dear to Travis's family's heart and mine too. So thank you guys so much.
We know about it because dear friends of ours spent time volunteering at the care center, and we heard about it and didn't know more about it until now, and we've wanted to figure out a way to do something special. So this is our way to give back to escapees.
That's awesome. Special. Thank you guys so much.
We can't thank you enough. And that just shows who you are. I mean, that's just why you guys are such great fits for this community and being involved.
Well, thank you. So I didn't mean to surprise you, embarrass you on you, but we thought we couldn't think of any better way to tell you than when we announce it. And we'll put this out on YouTube so everyone can see it, and they'll get a feeling about who Travis and Mel are. These are wonderful people who we've become dear friends with, and many other escapees, Xscapers. Again, the Xscapers is a group within the group, and we've been here for a whole week having a blast. And by the way, if you haven't already seen our presentation that we did here about batteries, that is up. We'll put a link to that below as well, because by the time this interview goes up, that will be up on YouTube as well. So we hope you'll take a look at that and come and see what it's all about. So thank you so much for sitting down for this quick chat with us.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Thank you guys.
We've had such a blast. And John, who is politely standing behind the camera so that we can sit here. Thank you too. Yes. Anyway.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You guys are...
Oh my God.
She won't be this real. Brandon,